Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Cassy Vlogz, and today I'm doing another tutorial. So, today's tutorial, well, it's not actually a tutorial, but it's how I edit my pics slash tutorial. So, let's go to the editing side of my phone, and these are my editing apps. One is the Power Director, Lightroom, Visco, PixArt, Background Eraser, Fonto, and Mobazine. Mobazine isn't a editing app. Well, it can be an editing app, but you can also record with it, which is what I'm using right now. So yeah. So, um, mostly the app that I use for editing my photos is Lightroom because it's amazing. And you do have Adobe Lightroom in, desktop, laptop. I think so. But you have to pay for it, so I just went for the phone. I also paid for the premium of this because it wasn't that expensive. $6 monthly. But I'm not gonna pay the next month. so, so guys, these are the two pictures we are gonna be editing for today. So first one is this one. And also the person in the pictures is, Anastasia Vlog. Go check her out. I'll link her channel in the description down below so you can check her out. And make sure to subscribe to her and me, and also turn on those post notifications so you won't ever miss another video of us too. And we also did a collaboration. I'll link the I'll link that video down below also. So yeah, let's just get started with editing. So this is a wonderful, picture. These two are wonderful, but you need to spice them up a bit. So we're gonna be starting with this photo. So over here, you have a lot of selections to pick, but mostly if you don't have the premium, you can't use the selective, the healing, and I don't know what else, but I'm pretty sure there's more you can't use if you don't have premium. But yeah. So first thing I do is go on to presets. I have my own user presets that I downloaded from Google, and I think I would like the bloom preset with this. So yeah, oh, that looks lovely already. Like, look, this is the before and after, but we're not yet finished. So we're gonna mess with the light. The exposure is
fine like that. And the contrast, I would like that. Highlights is there. Shadows, you can do whatever you want in this, in this section. But it depends on the photo, if it looks good with the photo.
okay. Now let's do the color. So temperature is nice already.
Like that. Okay, we're gonna turn this flower like that. Well, I'm gonna turn the color of the flower later, but yeah. Oopsies. Okay. Saturation. Like that. Okay. Now,
I'm gonna change the color of the flower, so I'll go on to mix and pick color pink because that is the color of the flower a little bit. Okay, maybe not. Maybe it's red. There we go. Don't mind the text. So, can I silent this? There you go. So, this is the new and improved photo. This is the before and after. Okay guys, we're done with this photo. It looks fabulous. And now let's do this photo. Okay, it's not edited, of course. So, we'll just have to do that ourselves. Excuse me? Okay guys, I have fixed the malfunction and now it's all good. So yeah, now let's get started editing. Okay, as I do always, go to presets first and pick a preset that will fit right in with this picture. So I'm gonna test every preset from Kerwin King to Aqua and Brown. So Kerwin King looks like that. I really like that, but maybe there's something, even better. We have Grunge, 2 Blue and Cold. Have David Cuson, I don't know. That's good, but not good enough. City People, no. Bloom. Oh, that's actually pretty good. The last one, Aqua and Brown. Ooh, I don't know. It's between Bloom, Kerwin King, and Aqua and Brown. You know what? I'll go with Aqua and Brown to go with a different, a different preset from the other one. So, let's mess with the lights because we do need to do that. The contrast, highlights, the shadows, the whites, and the blacks. Now let's do the temperature. Good enough. There we go, the vibrance, the saturation. Okay, do we need to, oh my god. Oh my god. Do we need to fix anything in the color mix? How about the orange? The orange looks kind of bland. That's okay, yeah. Next color is green, I like. That actually looks good. Okay. Okay guys, I am done with the picture and now I'll show you the before and after. Okay guys, I'm done with the pictures and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll show you the two pictures one last time. So yeah, you can just see it one more last time. So, this is picture number 1. It's kind of blurry right now because it's loading. But yeah, this is picture number 2. Also a little bit blurry, loading. And this is them both together side by side, but a little bit far away. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn on those post notifications so you won't ever miss another video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye. Peace out.